Hello guys, I am Tusha Shetty from Bloggers Ideas, and today I am going to do a detailed review of the Business and Leadership Masterclass course by Howard Skulls. But first, let me do a quick introduction to the Masterclass platform. Masterclass is a course website where you get to learn about varied subjects. What sets it apart from other educational websites out there is that Masterclass is a curated course platform that is taught by experts in the given industry, which is really unique in my opinion. It has true pricing structures. If you are looking into taking only one particular course, then you can pay $90 and get a lifetime access to that course. Or you can opt for an all-access pass where you can pay $180 annually and access as many courses as you wish. I would really advise you to go for the second option, as the content in this platform is simply exceptional and is really hard to choose any one particular course. You would like to explore and know more about the courses and the knowledge that is shared by their instructors. But if you are sure and are only looking for one particular course, then go for the $90 option and get a lifelong access for that specific one. Just to show you a quick overview of the Masterclass homepage, here is the profile, community, where you can start a discussion on any course or topic or network with fellow students who have signed up for these courses. You can also gift an all-access pass to your friend or family member who can benefit from Masterclass. It will be like giving the gift of education and experience to your loved one. You can access courses which deals in various topics and choose which one you would like to learn or which instructor you would like to listen to. So that was all about the Masterclass homepage. Now coming to our Masterclass course about the Business and Leadership by Howard Skulls and whether it is worth it for you or not. So let's get started. Who doesn't know Starbucks, the largest and the biggest coffee chain in the world? Drinking coffee at Starbucks is its own experience. You have to agree. Well, this masterclass is by none other than the former CEO of Starbucks, Howard Skulls, giving us his valuable knowledge of business and leadership. The amusing part of this course is that it is only available for those members who have an all-access pass. So as we have mentioned earlier, buy an all-access pass for Masterclass. It is worth it. And guess what? You will be able to access this course too. On the onset, this course is a little over 90 minutes and with an introduction and 3 more sections consisting of 13 video lessons. Now let's have a look at these in detail. The first section is the introduction of Howard Skulls, which is around 4 minutes long. Here, Howard Skulls talks about how he started his journey as an entrepreneur despite not attending any Ivy League school or having MBA degree. Just a regular guy like us having the dream of building an enduring company. He bought Starbucks in 1987 and built it into a global powerhouse in the coffee business. He is the living proof of an American dream and shows us that you don't have to have an MBA degree from Harvard to succeed in business in America. Much of what he has learned is through his experiences and instincts, which can be applicable to people from all walks of life. He thinks it is the best time for young entrepreneurs to start a business as the cost of operating a business has lowered down due to technology and there are no barriers in terms of how large a market can be as long as you do it with great discipline and thoughtfulness and do it with responsibility, not only towards your investors but communities you are trying to serve. The second part of the video talks about how to deal with self-doubt. The next section is about becoming an entrepreneur, which has 2 sub-lessons. The first lesson is about values and profits and not enemies and is about 11 minutes long. In this section, he shares both his personal journey and the original story of Starbucks. He talks about his lack of degree, but the passion and conviction that he had to create a company that would achieve the fragile balance between profit and responsibility. This video also talks about investing in values and achieving financial performance. Next comes expanding into China. Personally, I loved the story shared by Howard Skulls as how they were unsuccessful in China for 9 years and how he held himself responsible for that and for the management mistakes that he made, not with incompetent people, but with effective people given wrong assignment, and how it all changed with Belinda Wong, the CEO of Starbucks China, who changed the tragedy of Starbucks in the traditional tea drinking society and paved the path for success. He talks about how being in a value-based company, it is essential to financially perform. The second part is about being curious, which is around 10 minutes long. In this video lesson, Howard talks about why it is important to be intellectually curious, learning on the job and finding a mentor for yourself and for your business. The third section is about building the business, which has around 5 subsections. The first video lesson is about don't pioneer, disrupt, and is around 8 minutes long. Here Howard Schultz gives his 2 cents on the most asked questions by entrepreneurs, whether to disrupt an existing strategy or starting a new one. He advises disrupting an existing strategy instead of starting a new one, as it is more easy to target an existing consumer behavior than it is to change a consumer behavior. He also gives tips on how to reduce the risk of failing in business. The next video lesson is about focus and get in mud, which is around 8 minutes long. Here Howard talks about how leaders within an organization need to establish the priorities for his or her organization. He explains how the unit economics work and gives an example of a brick and mortar business, which is the right business strategy model for operating that business. He also talks about how entrepreneurs should keep a track of their numbers and actively engage with people in their company so as to avoid any unwanted surprises. Lastly, he talks about how to keep your employees, whom Howard calls as his partners, and his customers in mind when making any key decisions or strategies for your company. The third video lesson in this section is finding the right investors and is about 9 minutes long. Here Howard Schultz gives ideas and tips on how to onboard an investor to your company and how doing a background check on your investor is equally important as much as the investor doing for your company. He also gives advice on how to communicate with the potential investors. The next video lesson is about over-invest in culture and is about 7 minutes long. Here Howard talks about the importance of defining the culture in your organization early on, just like raising your children, because you are imprinting the child with a level of self-esteem and set of values. He also talks about how he audits his company's culture and brings in outside resources too to add value to the company's culture. Finally, he talks about work-life balance, which is the fundamental issue of everyone working in a company right now, especially the young generation, and how it is important for a company to establish the balance. The last part of the video in this section is about cannibalizing yourself, which is around 7 minutes long. Here he talks about how to deal with the competition, how to be in control of your destiny and keep innovating to be ahead in the growth curve of the business. The last section again has 5 videos. The first video lesson is about hiring a value-based team, which is 11 minutes long. Your primary job as CEO is to hire a team that shares your values. Howard talks about how to accomplish this by getting personal in interviewing your team and how to handle and prevent hiring mistakes. The next video lesson is about don't manage, lead, and is around 7 minutes long. People don't want to be managed. They want to be a part of something that is larger than themselves. They want to be a part of a vision that they can buy into, and they want to see themselves in that vision. And they also want to see themselves valued and appreciated. Howard effectively advises how to lead your team by establishing a standard of excellence and performance appraisals and feedback. The third video is a coffee break. Now this is the best part where Howard shows you how he makes his favorite French press coffee. The fourth part is about real leadership. What do you do in crisis and is around 12 minutes long. It is very easy to lead a company when everything is going well, but equally difficult when there are setbacks. And that is when you ask yourself the most important question. Do I have what it takes to lead the company and its people? In this video lesson, Howard shares the experience of leading Starbucks through a crisis in 2008 as a case study. He also advises on how to make significant cuts in your company when it is in crisis and how success is not entitled to you, but you need to work every day to earn it. The last video of this masterclass is named as Onwards, where Howard is giving a parting advice on when it is the right time to take a leap and start your business, and shares his own story with starting Starbucks. There is also a class workbook that you can download, which is 20 pages PDF, consisting of all the topics Howard explains in this masterclass. So that was all about Howard Scull's business and leadership masterclass. Well, in my personal opinion, this masterclass purely consists of leadership advice and building your company culture right by a man who has spent 40 years in building Starbucks as a company and brand that we know today. It is very informative for all those who are looking to create a company culture and what the right leader should do for his company, employees and customers. There are other business-related courses also available that you can check out, such as Sarah Blake's Self-Made Entrepreneurship or Bob Iger's Business Strategy and Leadership to gain more insights on this field. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. We would love to hear your thoughts for the same in the comment section below. Also, I highly recommend the Business and Leadership Masterclass course by Howard Sculls. And if you wish to pursue this, you can find all the details to the masterclass in the description box right below. Also, if you really like this review, then please like and share this video. And for more such reviews, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And one last thing before leaving, do click on the bell icon.